If your Generac Guardian Series home standby generator is showing a red light, it will not start. There are several reasons why this could be, so the very first thing we're going to do is see if we can reset the generator on our own. First, you want to open the lid to your generator. Once you open the lid, you'll see on the right side of your generator, inside, is a control panel. If the screen is showing an error code, make note of it for later. Okay, so let's press the red off button. And then we're going to press the gray enter button. Next, press the blue manual button. Don't be alarmed if your generator starts up at this point. That's actually a good sign. If your generator does start, let it run for a few minutes and then press the green auto button. Now your indicator light should be green. If your generator does not start after pressing the blue manual button, contact Adams and be sure to mention any error codes you observed.